Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Money Way. And today in this video, we're going to be going over my top 3 favorite electric car stocks that you can actually buy right now in the stock market. So all these stocks have been absolutely performing in the stock market, going over, way over 100% in the past 3 months or even a year. When you look at the different charts on these stocks, you can see some absolute performance with my favorite stock and the first stock on the list, NIO, ticker symbol also NIO. So I have a full, video about each of these stocks on the list. So if you want me to go more into detail about each of these companies, we'll go ahead and click the profile icon down at the bottom of the YouTube page, and you can find my stock analysis videos down there. So NIO has recently been increasing its amount of orders that's taking in. And if we go ahead and do a small little recap of what the different services and products that this company has, well, kind of like Tesla, they have their cars, right? They're mainly the SUVs. They're fully electric, but they also have, luxury cars, racing cars. They even have Formula E racing cars in which they actually compete with, right? But like Tesla, they have even their own, power services in which they can install chargers, they can install battery replacements. And so let's say you have to drive somewhere real quick. Well, you can install this, or you can go to one of their places in China. I believe they have a charging port every 3 kilometers. It says somewhere here on the website. But right here. And then you can battery swap in 3 minutes and you'll have another 300-mile range just like that. So yeah, my favorite stock on this list by far, 307% in the last year. It's definitely not a new company. It's very experienced. It's been listed on here for about 2 years and it was founded 6 years ago. So overall, 4x increase in the past year. And so next on the list, and personally my least favorite right now, but an overall grower, it's gone up 41% in the last month. This is one of the newer companies, but one thing that I forgot to mention and was actually a crucial part of the product itself is the roof actually has solar panels that charge the car as you go. So right here, optional full-length solar roof. So if you want to pay a little bit extra, to get the premium quality, well, right on the roof, you have a solar panel that's continuously charging the car, kind of like a regular car, except at an, increased amount, because obviously an electric car is going to use much more power than just a regular gasoline-powered car, because the vehicle itself and the engine itself mainly runs on the support of the battery power of the car itself. So Fisker, honestly, now that I have this new piece of intel, it's personally looking like a really, really good product, and I think that it can make great strides in the vehicle industry, especially with this new product that I've not seen personally in any of these big companies. You might see them in one of the smaller companies, but personally, this is my first time seeing any sort of vehicle using this solar roof, and honestly, I think it's very, very cool. Next on the list, and if you guys haven't been living in a rock recently, I did a stock analysis on this company today, and what Tesla is doing, just like NIO, is absolutely blowing up. In the past 3 months, it doubled in price, and for a huge company like this, in the past year, gone up 6x. For a huge company like this, that just a year ago, people didn't necessarily think it was going to do a whole lot of good, and it went down to $300, $360 after the hit of the coronavirus. It went down from $900 to $360. So there was a lot of confusion on where the price is going to go. Everyone thinks it's a bubble stock, but you got to think about it this way. Amazon, there's huge companies that can go over $3,000. So why does Tesla, this innovator in the electric vehicle industry, have to stop at 1,000? That's what the price target for a lot of these different banks and investing firms was. And honestly, it doesn't make sense to me. And one thing I forgot to mention was they estimated this, the earnings report for Tesla to be negative or break even, right? But it actually profited a lot. That's about $1 earning per share. And for a company like this, I mean, that is absolutely crazy. And not only that, but they also provide, battery electricity solutions, just like something NIO doing, except not for vehicles, but instead for the house itself. I mean, you can solar panel your entire roof and just harvest the sun's electricity all day long. You can get battery packs that take in the energy gathered from the sun and holds it over time, and you can even sell it back to the government for a little bit of passive income if you situate it correctly. And you can also get the charging ports. But one thing that NIO, I realized, has done that Tesla and other companies are not doing, the use of battery swaps, and so within 3 minutes you can have a full charge. But anyway, guys, these are my top 3 favorite stocks. If I would have put a specific order on here, it'd probably be number 1, number 2, and number 3. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I say is just my opinion. Please don't do anything I say. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and if you like my content, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. And thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to let me know, what you think about these companies or what stocks to do maybe a video on, let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great week.